In this video, I'm going to show you something very important on USDJPY for you to pay attention to as we open next week of trading, and also on Euro USD and gold price charts right at this very point. If you watch my last video at this very point where I talked about USDJPY and Euro USD weekly price bias, and you follow that analysis, you should be in massive profit as we wrap up the week yesterday and we are approaching a new week of trading. So what are you going to expect on the chart, and what should you be doing in your next week of trading? All of these and more in today's weekly analysis. If you are new to this channel, my name is Paradise. I discuss everything about Forex, day trading strategies to make you profitable. Support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other Forex videos, educational content, and technical analysis. On the USDJPY chart right here, you see the market was at this very point of important resistance, and in my last video, this very one right here, I talked to you about the market coming back down, and the reason was because we were seeing reduced momentum in the market. So from this very area of support, market to move upward, come back right down for retracement, market to move up again, come back, and could not move just like it was moving at this very point. This was an indication that market have lost momentum at this very area right here on this very price chart. So a loss of momentum at this very point implies that the market is going to come back to the downside, and that is exact same thing we see right here. So market come back down into this very level of support right now. So what I am expecting is something now different for this coming week, is for you to pay attention to market retracement. Okay, so that will make me to go back to the 4-hour chart. So on the 4-hour chart right here, we see that the market have moved significantly downward. So from this very area, market failed to create a new high, and we have a failed swing here, and then from this very point, market come back to the downside. What you must have to pay attention to as we approach the next week of trading is for you to monitor at this very point, market is going to move to the upside for a retracement. Okay, so right here, market have not created any new low from the previous low we see right at this point. I am expecting that the market just come back down a little bit, and then from this very price level of 146.14 to where the market is right now, we're going to see market retracement upward before continuation back to the downside again on USDJPY. This is what you must have to pay attention to right now at this very point. Market should correct, so correction from this very area to the upside, and the level you need to pay attention to is this very area of important resistance and this very area of resistance. Market should retrace into this level before continuation back to the downside again on USDJPY. This is what I am expecting. So what that also means is that don't buy the market from this very area. Rather, you wait for the market to move upward, and then it will give you another short opportunity or sell opportunity from this very area to the downside. Okay, so this is a resistance. This is a resistance that can act as a support when market begin to move upward, and then you buy, you short the market or sell the market from here for the market to move to the downside on USDJPY. This is very important, and this is what you need to pay attention to for the next week of trading. Okay, and right here on the Euro USD chart, I told you the market is going to move upward, and that is exact same thing we are seeing right now on this price chart. Market moved significantly from this very point last week and to this very area, and if you look at this very area, we have a very significant resistance at this very point, and that is why we are seeing reaction from this very point of resistance right at this very area. So this is resistance right here, and this is resistance at this very point. market is going to come back to the downside for retracement before continuation to the upside. Okay, so for this very price chart, which is the 1-day chart euro USD, expect the market to still move to the upside. But if you come back to the 4-hour chart, there is something very important on the 4-hour chart right at this very point. On the 4-hour chart here, market move upward, retrace, and then move upward. We have this spike. Okay, so this is a possible volume spike for a retracement. Okay, so when you see this kind of spike in the market, it also means that the market is going to have good retracement before the next continuation to the upside. Okay, so for me, this market is still in an upward movement. Okay, market move from this very area, okay, create a new high, come back down, retracement, market move up again. So what I am expecting for market to move downward and then move up again for continuation in the next week of trading. So what you have to pay attention to right now as we resume next week is for the market to move down, okay, and then you look for buy opportunity from this very level of support right at this very point, and this very level of support right here. From this very area, this support is going to act as another support from this very point, and market is going to move to the upside. So this is what you must have to watch right now, especially if you are trading on the 4-hour chart. Market is going to come back down for retracement, and then this very level of 1.0868 and this very area of 1.0834. From this very level, expect the market to begin to buy to the upside. So this should be your possible buy zone when you see a good bullish momentum to the upside from this very area of important support on the euro USD chart. This is very important. So on the overall, from the 1-day chart right here on the euro USD chart, see, expect this market to move to the upside. Okay, I am expecting the market to still move from here, continuation to the upside. But on the 4-hour chart, expect the market to retrace before continuation on the 4-hour chart. This is very important, and this is what I am watching as we open next week of trading. And lastly, on this very weekly wrap up is on gold right here. If you look at the gold chart, market has moved significantly after this breakout. You see the market breakout of this level of resistance right here. We have resistance at this very point. So we see this significant breakout with this very bullish candle. Then market begin to move to the upside. If you look at the way market move from here with significant momentum in these candles, and then market begin to reduce momentum at this very area, what this also means is that market is still going to continue upward on the 1-day chart. But if you go back to the 4-hour chart, you begin to see a very reduced momentum, which means that the market have capacity of coming back down a little bit on the 4-hour chart before it's going to move up again. So if we switch back to the 4-hour chart right here, on the 4-hour chart here, if you notice how this market is moving right now, we see this movement creating new highs from this point to this very area. And right now, we are seeing volume spikes on this very candle. We have the first spike here. We have the second spike on this very bullish candle right here, and then this very formation right now before the market closed yesterday. So what you need to watch right now on this very chart is a retracement. Okay, so I am expecting a significant retracement on gold from where the market is right now, from this very point to where the market is right now, and market is going to from here come back to the downside. So this very point of support, this is what I am watching right here, and this very area of support right at this very point is where the market to retrace into before continuation again to the upside. So as the market corrects, what you need to do is to wait for this correction to end, and you can find that end of retracement by certain patterns around this very area and also bullish momentum. So once you see bullish momentum around this area and certain patterns, market is going to begin to move to the upside. So wait for the market to retrace before you enter a buy position for the market to move upward on gold as we open next week of trading. This is what I am watching and paying attention to on gold right now. So a recap is that on gold, wait for the market to retrace from here downward, and then you look for a buy opportunity from here to the upside. And for Euro USD, if you go back to the 4-hour chart on the immediate short term, wait as well for the market to retrace from here to the downside, and then from this very zone, market is going to move to the upside. So look for buy opportunity from this very area. And also on USDJPY chart, expect the market to retrace to this very point and then continuation. So look for sell opportunity on this very price chart. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos, educational content, and day trading strategy. Thank you for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.